Judge Starr. We have Osceola. First person I'm going to that's Avita.
Good morning, Your Honor. Is the public defender appointed on all these cases for the purposes of initial appearance?
Yes, we're asking public defender on all morning. Sedaris, Reyes.
Come on. She's approaching, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Ms. Acevedo Reyes. I reviewed your affidavit. Find probable cause for the 3 counts: burglary with assault or battery, criminal mischief, burglary of burglary of an occupied dwelling unarmed. The count 1 is $20,000 bond. Count 2 is $1,000. Count 3 is $10,000. There's no contact with the victim in the case. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What you're hearing. Olin Arroyo.
Approaching, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good morning, sir. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause for your simple battery. It looks like it's domestic related. The bond's going to be $1,500. No contact with the victim in the case. Is it your mom? No contact. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. Thank you. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Michael Bulu?
He has refused, Your Honor.
Okay, reset for tomorrow. Jaden Bonilla?
President approaching.
All right, Mr. Bonilla, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you, Judge?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You to have no contact with the victim in this case, Sini Sanchez. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons.
I I have my medical card, so I just wanna know, am I still able to use it, or?
Yes.
I don't know, sir. Thank you. Good luck. Ask your lawyer.
Yes, thank you.
Case Brooks? Mr. Brooks?
That one is a co-defendant case, and he's being brought in separately. So if Your Honor would recall.
Yes, okay. Jean Campbell?
President approaching.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Campbell. How are you this
morning.
I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You're to have no contact with Mr. Kettle, a victim in this case. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. Thank you so much. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your Honor.
Talk to your lawyer. Don't talk to me. Otilio Cruz.
Your Honor, Your Honor, the defendant in this case resides with the alleged victim, and she have one return with the assistance of law enforcement.
Yes, one more the assistance of law enforcement to get your.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Cruz. Looks like you failed to appear on a charge of resisting without violence from our county, Orange County. So your bond is now $2,500 in that case. All right, that concludes your hearing this morning. Thank you so much. Good luck to you, sir. John Doe 3163.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Did you say Ortillo Cruz? We have an out-of-county from Orange on him.
Yes, that's what I just said.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, thank you.
Warrant, $2,500 bond on the out-of-county warrant, which is this county, not your county. Okay. John Doe, 3163.
He does need the Spanish interpreter. There's 2 cases from today that need Spanish interpreter, if Your Honor would like to recall them together.
Yeah. John Doe. What's the other guy?
And Jose Robles from a little bit further down the list.
You just 2 for the whole day?
That's it, Your Honor, yes.
4 in Orange? All right, so I'm going to call him. I'll call him at the end, and then we'll keep her on the line, I guess.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Fernandez?
President approaching.
All right, good morning, Mr. Fernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you?
All right.
All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You have no contact with the victim in this case, Miss Amanda, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you have to go back, you can go back one time with law enforcement to get your things. That concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Robert Geiger.
He's present approaching, Your Honor, and he does qualify for direct PTR.
All right, Mr. Geiser, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, and I can do PTR on your case. Wish you all the best. Good luck. No drinking.
Okay?
Okay, goodbye.
No
Jennifer
problem. Yeah, you're gonna
Goy? Jennifer Goy?
Present and approaching, Your Honor, for the court's information, I have competency concerns. Her application was incorrect, to say the least, and we'd be asking the court to appoint the public defender from, not just for the purposes of initial appearances, to get her evaluated because the application would not suffice.
Okay, public defender's appointed for that purpose. Looks like she probably already has a public defender on her case with Judge Young.
Yes.
I was Judge John B. Morgan, and I've already compensated my competency that my paralegal didn't want to accept it, but John B. Morgan does.
Okay,
And,
thank you. All right, we'll take care of you. Don't worry, I
Can
got
I
it.
leave?
We're going to
Thank you.
compensate the paralegal and the compensation for the compensate. Got it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
No
It was
bond.
a bond.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not used to it. All right, Brandon Hadsock.
He's in hospital, Your Honor.
All right, reset for tomorrow. I usually have bad hearing anyway. The mask just makes it 10 times worse. Matthew Houts.
He has refused, Your Honor.
I don't blame him. Okay. All right, Jose Robles.
That's a Spanish.
All right, this is the other guy. All right,
Yes.
Deonta Taylor.
He is present and approaching.
All right, sir, good morning. How are you?
Not so good. It's my birthday.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah.
That's terrible. Happy birthday. I've had some bad birthdays, too.
Thank you, though.
Maybe next year it'll be better. We'll see.
Yeah.
We can
of
only
course,
hope, right?
Yeah.
Hope keeps
so.
us going. All right, well, happy birthday. I reviewed
Thank
your
you.
affidavit. I find probable cause. Your bond is $1,500. Can't have any contact with your hubby for at least a couple of days. You can bring it up with the next judge. No contact, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. And if you have to go back to the residence, you can go back one time with law enforcement, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your
Happy
Honor.
birthday.
Thank you.
Mayshak Thornton.
Present and approaching, Your Honor.
Okay. Mayshak Thornton, have a couple cases here, grand theft auto, I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,000. You have a driving with a suspended license, second offense, reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500. And I think those are the two cases that you had. Concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You. All right, we had a couple of resets. Justin Alfred Duda,
He has a mental health hold.
okay.
And then Andrew Jacobson has refused, and Luis Vilo Silva has also refused.
All right, let's try him again mañana. Thank you. Let's go back to the Spanish interpreter. Let me see how I do this again. Do I add her to the call? Ooh, add? Interpreter.
We do have a name on the John Doe. We don't have an
313.
identification.
Did you just ask me if I have a name on the John Doe?
No, I said we do have a name on the John Doe.
Okay. Of course I don't. That's why we're calling him John Doe. What's his name?
His name is Jose Martinez.
Jose Martinez.
It is on the report. They
Hello,
just don't have
Cisco
a.
Unity Connection Messaging System. From a touch-tone telephone, you may dial an
Marquez, I'm
extension at
sorry.
any time. For a
Oops. add the call. Add
Okay.
interpreter.
Are we back? Can we bring over, Brooks? Okay.
Hello, Cisco Unity Connection Messaging.
They were there yesterday. They were there early. Yeah. They were there at 7:45 in the morning yesterday and the day before because they got on for the Spanish interpreters at the Juvie.
Are we back? I don't want the judge.
Yeah, so I hang up on them? Hang tight, don't go anywhere.
Okay,
I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
okay, Your Honor.
Thank you. I gotta take these off, they're strangling me. I have 3 cases. I have I forgot what I was doing with one of them. I have John Doe, and I have Robles and Brooks. But I already forgot why we passed Brooks. Yeah, I don't know why, I forgot why we passed it.
Your Honor, it's because Brooks had a co-defendant, and they're
Oh,
trying to
right.
keep them separate.
Co-defendant had to be brought back. So can I call back and do that one now? Or no? No, the co-defendant, I had one more. Let me see what she wants to do.
30,000.
Hey, we had we have a co-defendant we wanted to address, that we were gonna bring in at the end. We can do that?
Yeah, she's being brought in now, Your Honor. She's not here yet.
Oh, all right, then I'll call you back again.
Your Honor, I apologize.
All right, bye. All right, we're doing Mr. Ruth's case now? And are you calling the state attorney or the statewide prosecutor?
That was Mr. David Smith.
Attorney J. Ruth.
All right, Mr. Ruth, it's Judge Starr. Good morning. I'm calling you first while we get everybody ready. I am at the jail courthouse. We're calling David Smith's case. I think the clerk is getting the statewide prosecutor on the line.
Oh, excellent. I have his cell phone in case she needs that.
Oh, she's got it. She's the bomb. All right. And then I'm still waiting for David Smith.
Are we on the record?
We are on the record.
It's my understanding that he was pulled over, pulled aside to be reset today because it was originally showing it was a Volusia County case.
Oh, and it's a Seminole.
Orange County case, and it's a Volusia County case.
Okay, so it says Seminole, but we needed to be switched to Volusia County.
Correct.
Okay, that seems very simple. Oh, over here to this phone? Yeah, this is the technical challenging part for me. No?
Over here.
Oh, crap. Hold on. Okay,
So
tell
now
her.
he'll be.
All right, who do we have on the line from statewide prosecution?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Mitchell Cooper, 2 L's and 2 O's.
Okay, Mr. Cooper. We have Mr. Ruth on the line, and we have, oh, hi, Mr. Smith. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
Nice to see you again.
Hi.
I see you got yourself one dandy lawyer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We're here on your case. We had to make a correction on your case number. It's not Seminole County, it's Volusia County, correct, everybody?
Right.
So what else has to be done for me? Do we need a new case number? Is there something, Mr. Ruth, that we have to put on?
Judge, I was hoping that you could address one matter. He has a bond set on the warrant that says $10,000, I believe, on count 1 and $20,000 on count 2.
Yes.
he's prepared to post that bond, attempted to post a bond. However, there's a Nebbia hold that is in place. I provided all the documentation regarding the Nebbia hold to show that the funds for proof of are from a legitimate source from the parents with bank statements and a sworn affidavit to the statewide prosecutor. And I was hoping that the court may consider addressing that matter today if possible.
Mr. Cooper, any objection? Looks like he's completed all the requirements, and I'm going to allow it.
I don't have any objection, Your
Good.
Honor.
Okay, thank you so
For the
much.
record, may I just make just a brief record? Sorry.
All right.
I have received the banking statements. I've also received a copy of the affidavit from Mr. Ruth, from the defendant's mother, stating that she's going to be the one posting the bond. And based upon those representations that she's going to be the one posting the bond and the bank statements, we are prepared to agree that the funds come from a non-criminal source. I
Okay.
believe there were other conditions on the capias: no contact with co-defendants, don't return to the location, and I think there was a few others, but I'm not sure. I don't have a copy of it in front of me.
All right, so what are we doing?
Yeah.
How am I I have to sign this, don't I? Who's getting it to me?
I don't know the process. I
Well,
think that
somebody should.
it has to be posted. I think that the bond has to be posted first, and then we agree. But I've never done it this way, but I
Okay.
don't necessarily have a problem with that.
All right, well,
Mr. Ruth, do you know?
go ahead, Mr. Ruth. Seems like the conditions were satisfied, so I'll allow it. And if there's any paperwork or order that needs to be followed up on, you can email it to me and I can e-sign it and get it back to you.
Okay, is pretrial services in the courtroom, Judge?
Pretrial services are in the courtroom, no? Yes.
Can they maybe advise us if there is anything additional that needs to be done for him to be released?
He should be released once he posts that bond, the 20 and the 10. No
So the
holds,
Nebbia-
no Nebbia
no
holds.
holds.
No, Nebby.
Only the only conditions are no contact with the other co-defendants. And what was,
Excellent.
Mr. Cooper, no contact with, no communication with the co-defendants, was that it?
No returning to any of the Ulta stores. I believe that there was a surrender of passport if has, and I would need to pull it up on my phone to be certain, so I apologize that I don't have it. Sorry, I meant my computer, but I don't have my...
Okay, so that's it for now. He can figure out what he wants to do later. Okay.
You want me to?
Excellent. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend.
No. Okay, thank you, bye.
And you want me to
Thank you.
No,
release
that's
the
all I have,
Nebia
ma'am. Be
hold?
excused.
Hold on. What?
Oh,
Remove it, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so
Your Honor,
much.
Let
that's
him
all I
out.
have, ma'am. Be excused.
If he posts that bond, let him out. And the only thing he needs to do is no contact with the co-defense, don't go back to that Ulta, that location. Everything else, Mr. Cooper wasn't prepared to do today. He can do it on his own later. All right, do we want to try the Spanish interpreter one more time? Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Thank you, bye. All right, let's see if we can get the interpreter back.
Hello, Cisco Unity Connection Messaging System. From a touch-tone telephone, you may dial an extension at any time. For a directory of extensions, press 4. Otherwise,
And then I hang up on everybody when I do that. Oh, okay. I thought I was doing something wrong. Okay, we still don't have an interpreter. Anybody, any suggestion on how to get one?
Mr. Brooks is now present and he can be.
Okay, Mr. Brooks, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You're not to have any contact with the victim in the case, okay?
Over here.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. 1,500.
1,500, the worst birthday ever. Okay, bye.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, we have our two Spanish interpreter cases, and we cannot find a Spanish interpreter.
Over here. Okay. Okay. All right. We have our two Spanish interpreter cases and we cannot find a Spanish interpreter. Okay. Over here. Okay. All right. We have our two Spanish interpreter cases and we cannot find a Spanish interpreter. Okay. Over here. Okay. All right. We have our two Spanish interpreter cases and we cannot find a Spanish interpreter. Your Honor, I do speak Spanish fluently, and I can translate for the court if the court wishes and allows that, or we can reset them.
Well, I'm not allowed to do that because you have to be a court-certified Spanish interpreter. And I'd like to, these are small bonded cases. What I can do is just ask you to hold on. We're going to start Orange County, and I guess I'll call you back when we find a Spanish interpreter. I won't make you wait long. Let's see if we can wait maybe 20 minutes. If we don't have one by 11, we'll reset for tomorrow. Does that sound like a plan?
Okay.
Your Honor, Jose Robles speaks English.
Mr. Robles, come on up.
Your Honor, for that case, the victim is present and she does require a Spanish interpreter.
No, she doesn't. She can come in. No, is she in there?
Yes.
Oh, I can't see. Oh, hi, how are you? Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, what do you want to tell me?
No, that was his first time.
You gotta put your face to the mic and talk loud.
That was his first time to do that. I'm sure that he can go back home.
I can't hear you. Go ahead, take it off. Just, talk into the
That
mic.
it was his first time, so I know he's
Yeah,
scared
see, it's
to
not,
go.
just so you know, it's not the mask. You gotta put your face to the mic like this. Then put your face to it. Yeah.
That it was his first time to do it, so I'm not scared till he come back home.
Okay, first time, so it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Okay, review the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. No contact with the victim, not yet. You can ask later, but not today.
Okay.
No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you have to go back for clothes, you can go back one time with the assistance of law enforcement. Good luck to you.
Okay.
One time's not good. No times is what we're aiming for. All right, thank you, bye.
Thank you.
All right, any chance Jose Martinez learned English in the last 5 minutes?
1 second, Your Honor.
Because he's going to get a bond. Does he want a bond?
He understands numbers and
Oh, come on up.
presumably no conditions. It's a duelist case, right, Your Honor?
Yeah, it's operating without a valid driver's license. All right, no driving.
Okay.
Bond, $250. PC, goodbye.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Have a good day.
Yep, thank you, bye. Okay, we're done. See how that worked out? Is that for me? Oh, no, this one?
These are
Okay.
yours, but not.
But not yet. Okay, got it. All right. We have Odise Hill. Do we, oh, you said we have Spanish interpreter cases. We have.
Put them to the side.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
figure 11.
Oh, okay. All right, Mr. Hill, good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
You have an out-of-county warrant.
Yes, I am.
There's no bond in your case. I'm just looking to see, I couldn't figure out what county it was from when I looked before. Oh, Lake County. All right, good luck to you, sir. Sean McCullum. Where's Mr. McCullum? Oh, okay.
Your Honor.
He's on his way? Okay. There's going to be no bond on that fleeing counsel.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. McCullum, good morning. How are you?
All right.
I have 4 counts on your arrest affidavit. I reviewed find probable cause. Your fleeing and eluding carries no bond status. The child abuse, 1,000, resisting without, 500, and the reckless driving is 500. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Donovan Williamham? Public defenders appointed on all Orange County cases this morning. Thank you so much for reminding me.
Judge.
He didn't behave? Okay, reset for tomorrow. Akeith Garrett?
Can I have a blunt? Tom?
Okay, good luck. Bye, Mr. McCullum. Good luck. Wish you all the best. Akeith Garrett? Mr. Garrett, good morning, sir. How are you? You have an out-of-county warrant that's holding you no bond. Looks like Seminole, if I can construe the initials the right way. Seminole County. All right, good luck to you, sir. James Prescott? James Prescott? Oh, is that the interpreter? James Prescott.
Prescott's mental health, Your Honor.
He's been what?
Mental health.
Oh, got it, thank you. Mental health. Kelsey Lamont Boyce, was that the interpreter? Okay. Kelsey Lamont Boyce.
Coming now, Your Honor.
Same thing, no bond on the aggravated assault with a firearm. This one was scary. Who's the interpreter? Romero? Oh, yeah. Oh, Morales. If it's he, it's Mr. Morales. It's Mr. Morales and Miss Romero are the two. I saw 500, but it's fine. Yeah, 500 is fine. Oh, whatever. PTR, yeah. Yeah. Did you read it? It was like he's in a canoe, something, drinking in a canoe. Come on. Maybe it was a little bigger than a canoe, but we're good. It's fine. All right, this one is, okay. Hello, Mr. Kelsey Lamont Boyce, how are you? Good morning.
Good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. I'm looking at your affidavit. It has 4 counts: carrying a concealed firearm, aggravated assault with a firearm, possession of cannabis, resisting an officer without violence. I find probable cause on all 4 counts. Count 1 is a $1,000 bond. Count 3 is a $150 bond. Count 4 is a $100 bond. Count 2, the aggravated assault with a firearm, is a no bond status. So there's no bond on that one, sir.
I talk, ma'am, real quick.
You can, but I don't think your lawyer wants you to.
What is the reason why I don't have a bond for?
The law requires no bond, it's a no bond offense. So the law requires that there would be no bond, but you can address it again with the next judge. It's not forever, it's just today. So talk to your lawyer, she's gonna help you, okay? Okay, good luck to you, sir. Okay, talk to her, she's gonna come and talk to you after today. All right, listen to her, bye, good luck. Nathan Sinkerfield?
Behavior, Your Honor.
Okay, reset for tomorrow. That's
Is this
okay.
Spanish interpreter case or?
What is this? Who is that?
This is a regular topic, Your Honor.
Regular docket.
We'll do this one and then we'll switch over to Spanish.
Okay. Are you Melissa? All right, Melissa Acevedo, and are you Mr. Acevedo?
Oh, I'm Douglas Cerezo.
Mr. Cerezo, okay. What would you like to tell me?
Oh, this is the third time she assaulted me. She's a danger to the community. She's a danger to me and my family. She's made numerous threats. I don't want no contact with her.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
She tried to call me from jail last night. Something's wrong with her. She needs mental evaluation.
Okay, okay.
She's a danger. She
Okay.
even threatened her own mother yesterday.
Oh, my goodness. Okay,
Something's wrong with her. She cut my finger. Look at this.
yeah, okay. All right, thank you for your time.
I don't want her to come to my residence. I want to
Okay, so, all
again.
right, well then watch me. All right, Ms. Acevedo, I reviewed your affidavit, I find probable cause. I'm setting your bond at $5,000. You are to have no contact with them. Don't go back to the house. If you have stuff there, the only way you can go back one time with law enforcement to get your stuff. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol, no phone calls, no Facebook posts. Don't even say his name while you go into the bathroom. All right, good luck.
Yeah,
Goodbye.
there's 2 counts, so you want.
Oh, on the resisting without violence, that's a $500 bond. So 5,000 and 500. All right, that's all I can do. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, we have a Spanish interpreter case, or the Spanish interpreter cases now? Oh, have to call, right.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Theodore Leal, Spanish interpreter. The interpreter has not been sworn, Your Honor.
Okay, do you swear to interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Theodore Leal for the record.
Okay, thank you so much. And we have Exal Cesar Miranda Perez coming.
He's on the way, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, looks like, counsel, the first one is going to be no bond status.
And Your Honor, counsel is going to be asking for a finding of proof evident presumption guilt based on the 4 corners.
Yeah, why do you keep asking that? I'm just curious.
We're supposed to ask for that for purposes of bond.
Right, but isn't that isn't that an Arthur hearing?
No, because we're supposed to have proof evident presumption great based on the 4 corners, and then
Yeah.
it can further be litigated at the Arthur hearing, Your Honor.
And then to what?
And then any other evidentiary issues can be argued at the Arthur
Maybe you
hearing.
can email me the procedure and case law that goes along with it. I'm happy to find it now, but I'm very curious what procedural bearing that has on the IA.
Just with regard to bond.
Yeah, I understand it has to, what legal authority does that request have at the IA? And what extra finding at an initial appearance that does? Because to me, it makes no sense. But I'm happy to find it just to move the calendar along. So, all right. Mr. Miranda Perez, because it is an Arthur hearing that you're asking for, so if you want to set it, you can file a motion. Mr. Miranda Perez, I reviewed your affidavit.
Your Honor, the interpreter is connected.
Oh, sorry, you got to put the headset on. Thank you.
Hello?
All right, Mr. Miranda Perez, I reviewed your affidavit. Find probable cause for all 5 counts.
Your Honor, he's saying he doesn't hear the interpreter.
Oh, hold on.
The interpreter is connected on this, shows connected on this end, so maybe the volume.
Okay, hold on.
Connected now, Your Honor. He can hear now.
Okay, can you hear me? Can you hear the interpreter? Can you hear Mr. Miranda Perez?
I can hear you right now,
Very good.
more or less.
Okay. All right, I've reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause. I'm going to go through each count and set the bonds or lack thereof. Now, count 1, armed burglary of an occupied conveyance, no bond. Count 2, aggravated battery on a pregnant person, $5,000 bond. Count 3, aggravated assault upon a pregnant person, $5,000 bond. Count 4, tampering with a witness, $1,000 bond. Count 5, battery, $2,000 bond. You are to have no contact with the victim, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. This concludes your hearing this morning. Good luck to you, sir.
And Your Honor, does Mr. Miranda Perez has a case number assigned yet?
21CF6383.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, our next case is Alberto Hagon Rios.
Mental health, Your Honor.
What? What did you say? Mental health, reset for tomorrow. Nehemias Arroz Confuentes. Good morning, Mr. Confuentes. Can you hear the interpreter?
Yes. Yes, it's low.
Okay.
Good morning.
All right, hello, good morning, sir. You have an out-of-county warrant for failing to appear on a driving with a suspended license case out of Seminole County. And now they want to keep you without a bond until you see the judge there. Oh, hold on, thank you. Is that the bond?
Yes.
Oh, good news. This is 0 there.
I know, but let me show you. They put it here sometimes, but when they set a bond, it's just so I know.
$500 bond. You're lucky. Thank God for the clerk. All right. Hector Roman Diaz.
I know, Your Honor, Mr. Pagan get a case number from the other county?
Yes, well, I can give you the agency case number is 2021 WA001827.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Roman Diaz? Okay, can you hear the interpreter?
Yes.
Okay, you have a new case. It has 3 counts. I find probable cause for the new case. Count 1, petty theft. Your bond is $250. Count 2, resisting without violence, $500. Count 3, trespass, $500. That's case number 2021 MM003688AO. You have an open case. That open case is 2021 CF003550AO. That was a criminal mischief charge. You were ROR'd on that charge originally. Now, I am revoking your bond on that case. You have no bond on that old case now. This concludes your hearing this morning. Good luck to you, sir. Heidi Santiago. Heidi Santiago? Is this Yolanda? Oh, okay. So the interpreter is for Miss Yolanda this morning, the victim witness here to share something. What would you like to tell me? Can you use the microphone?
Señora, si usted usaba el micrófono, muy bien. ¿Y qué quiere decirme?
Es que mi hija ayer cuando yo llegué del trabajo me atacó principalmente abriendo la puerta, me atacó verbalmente y luego me llamó pilla. Yo fui al cuarto a reclamarle porque ella me decía pilla Y ella me decía que era por la que le había robado las píldoras que ella se había tomado, que el psicólogo le había regalado. Y
Un momento, señora. Un momento, señora. Un momento. Un momento. Yesterday, I came from work, and my daughter, she was verbally abusive to me when she opened the door. She called me a tramp. Then I followed her to the bedroom asking her, why do you call me a tramp? And she accused me of stealing the pills that were given to her, that were gifted to her from the psychologist.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.
All right. I find probable cause in the affidavit, set your bond at $1,500. You'd have no contact with your mom. You can't go back there. You can go back there one time to get your things with the accompaniment of law enforcement. If you don't like the status of the no contact, you can bring it up later with the judge and talk to your lawyer. But today, that's what we're doing. All right, good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, is this it? All right. What do I do with this? Oh,
Meant to give you
okay.
this one. This is from yesterday.
Oh, what do I do with this? Oh, it's
I just need this.
Thank you. All right, are you Nathaniel Campbell?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Campbell, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable, this is an arrest warrant, it's a non-bondable offense, aggravated stalking with a credible threat, and it's going to stay that way. All right? No contact with the victim. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Allison Gonzalez?
Mental health, Your Honor.
Okay, mental health for Ms. Gonzalez. Savage Cornell Jr. All right, this is a warrant, Mr. Jr. I reviewed it. I'm going to set your bond at, hold on, I'm going to give you a bond in the count one aggravated battery. It's 3,000. Count two is 500. On your old, you have an open case, 2021 CF 003886AO. You have two counts on that old case. That case, I'm revoking your bond. So you're going to be held no bond on your old case, and you have a pretty high bond on the new case. Good luck to you, sir. Derek Arthur? Mr.
I'm
Arthur,
sorry.
good morning. How are you? Anybody here for Mr. Arthur? All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You're to have no contact with Nina, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you need to go back to get clothes, you can go back one time with law enforcement. Good luck to you, sir. Good luck to you. Thank you. Deshwandre Bridley,
Mental health, Your Honor.
mental health, let's try her tomorrow. Armin Brody.
Coming, Your Honor.
How many cases?
Sorry, Your Honor, this is the interpreter.
Oh, we're done. Thank you. So sorry. I always
Oh, no problem, Your Honor. The interpreter actually has a question for Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Regarding the Osceola IAs, because the interpreter doesn't have a visual.
Oh, that's okay. They all, when they found out they had to wait 20 minutes, they all learned English.
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I had a question. How much, do you know how many people we have today?
I can tell you.
No, it's not enough. No, don't worry about it.
Okay, it's at the end though. So
Oh, it
it's on
is?
the sheet, Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think it is? You like 100?
Maybe 84.
84?
That's just what I'm counting.
Yeah. I was going to guess 100. Hello, how are you?
Good morning, Your Honor.
And are you mom?
Yes.
Miss Tiffany Dean?
Yes.
All right, what would you like to tell me this morning?
Well, what I would like to tell you this morning is, Your Honor, it was just an argument that
got out of hand. He did not touch me. And I explained that to the officer, but the officer explained to me that once someone calls the police, they have to bring somebody in. So he didn't touch me. He didn't touch my husband. My husband is the one that grabbed him and brought him.
So you're not afraid of him?
No.
All right.
No,
And
not at all. I'm 46, so I know what being in an abusive relationship is.
okay. All right. So you feel safe enough to let him come home?
Yes, I feel safe enough for him to come home.
Okay.
I just think he don't need to drink.
Yeah. Well, that's gonna be a condition anyway.
And Your Honor, he does qualify for pretrial release.
Okay. I'm gonna set your bond at $1,500. There's no drinking, no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons, and no hostile contact with anybody in your residence. That means mom. You gotta listen to mom, no matter what.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, good luck, sir. Megan Coleman. Anybody here for Ms. Coleman? All right. Ms. Coleman, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause. I'll set your bond at $1,500. And let's hear from what's your name, ma'am?
Sherry Williams.
Okay, and what would you like to tell me?
It was just an argument that led to something else. We both was drinking.
All right, I'm going to keep it on for now. Let the anger wear off. It's no contact for now. You can bring it up with the judge at a later date. No contact. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Katai David Hill. Anybody here from Mr. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $2,500. You'd have no contact with the victim, don't go back to the residence, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you need to go back to get your belongings, you can go back one time with the supervision of law enforcement. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Don Travis Dow, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. All right, I reviewed your affidavit. I find probable cause. I'll set your bond at $1,500. Nobody's here for him today.
So it's 150?
Yeah, but there's going to be another problem you're going to have.
I know that.
Okay. So you have your open case, 2020 CF 0125555AO. I'm going to revoke your bond or revoke your PTR on that. So now you're going to be held no bond on that case.
I can't bond out on that?
No, because you have an open case. And so what happens is when you get a new case, you violate the release conditions of your old case. And the law says that when that happens, you're going to stay with us until we fix everything. So that's what's going to happen now. Okay, good luck to you, sir. Amara Lewis, Miss Mental Health, reset for tomorrow. Pete Sipari.
Mental health, Your Honor, but
Yeah, I don't-
victim is here.
All right, okay. Pete Sipari, victim. He's not here. Oh, is that the one with the baby? Oh.
On this last one, you didn't order any conditions because you stayed at night. I didn't hear you.
The mom, is this the one with the mom?
It's the one we just did, child.
No contact. Yeah, no contact, don't go anywhere, don't, police, one time.
Please be quiet. No,
Get his
don't touch
stuff.
it. Jackson, please.
All right, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm all right, and how are you?
Okay. Are you Krista?
Yes, ma'am. Stop.
All right, what would you like to tell me?
I wanted to drop the charges. I woke up in the middle of the night and he was arguing with somebody on the phone. Annabelle, please stop. And then he smacked me in the face and I got mad, so I called the cops. But I want to drop the charges.
Okay. All right, thank you for your information. I appreciate it. He didn't show up today, so we'll pass that information along to tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bye. Mental health for tomorrow. Mr. Lugg?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing, Your Honor?
All right, Mr. Lugg, good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
How you doing, ma'am?
I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. And is this,
Jessica,
Jessica, what would you like to tell me?
I want to drop the charges. He didn't do anything to me. I was mad. I was the one who was drunk. We was arguing, and I was using it against him, like, you know, and then I called the police because I wanted him to get out the house, but they ended up taking him, so.
Got it.
But he did not hit me that night, so
Okay.
I just wanted to drop the charges, whatever they said.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your information. Today, we're not going to do that. Today, I'm going to keep the no contact order in place, let things settle down a little bit, and then you can ask the next judge, okay?
So do he have a bond, right?
Your bond's $1,500. The conditions of release are no contact with the victim, don't return to the residence. If you need to go back, you have to bring law enforcement to get your stuff one time. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. Those are the conditions of release for now. Talk to your lawyer, stay in touch with her. She's going to help you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Frank Martin.
Mental health, Your Honor.
Thank you. Gregory Shell. Mr. Shell, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You'd have no contact with the victim. Chandra, no weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you need to go back to get your stuff, you can go one time with law enforcement. Good luck to you, sir.
If I can't get out, I'm gonna lose everything. I'm lose my license. I don't have anybody down here to get me out.
Okay, great. Good luck, sir. Jennifer Stowe?
Your Honor, mental health is also, but victim is
Mental
here.
health, okay.
Victim is here, Your Honor.
Oh, victim. She didn't show up, she didn't come up. You can try again tomorrow, she didn't come up. Mental health,
Okay.
so I don't know what to tell you.
Do I need to give you my side of the story, or?
No, I mean, you can, but you shouldn't. She's not here. I'm not addressing her case. It's gonna be reset for tomorrow. If she comes up, the judge will do it tomorrow.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you.
All right, good luck, sir. Oh, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a regular day, right? It's a work day, so we'll have, yeah. Oh, to tell him? Oh, yeah. Well, oh, well. I'm sure they'll work it out. Jerry Alcocer, is that you?
Ma'am.
All right, 3 counts. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond as follows. Possession of heroin, $1,000. Possession of buprenorphine, $150. Possession of drug paraphernalia, $100. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Jamie Arnold?
It's not in our docket.
Jamie Patrice Arnold.
I don't have it
Not
on
in
my
our docket.
Okay. Oh, I can do that. Do you want me to do that, please? Inmate number 21012824.
She bonded, Your Honor.
Oh, she bonded. Okay. She had to go. Herman Benjamin,
Mental health, Your Honor.
mental health. Whew, it must be a big space for mental health down there. Alicia Diaz. Is that you?
We don't have them on the docket. This is our docket, is mental health also, Your Honor.
Alicia Diaz is mental health?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, we have mental health.
Reset for tomorrow, mental health. Bream England. Is that you, sir?
No, Your Honor, this is Colon Fernando.
I had Cologne, yeah, he's attached here.
Oh, sorry.
He has a PD.
Okay. Fernando Colon.
Your Honor, defense would have a probable cause argument here.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, the charging affidavit references several narcotic items. However, it does not specify what narcotic items or paraphernalia. Additionally, no field test was tested to determine whether there was a presence of any illegal narcotics, Your Honor.
State, what's your response?
Your Honor, co-defendant does make the admission that methamphetamine was a narcotic. The state asked the court to reason that there is probable cause due to the statement that meth was present as well as the paraphernalia in the hotel room.
Okay, I'm gonna do no PC on 2 and 3. Burglary of a structure is PC, and the bond is $3,500 on that, and ROR on the other 2 counts. Thank you so much.
Your Honor, in this case, can state request a 24-hour reset to obtain any supplements?
Sure, you want to do that instead for the 2 counts? Let's reset it for 24 hours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, thank you. I forget, even if it's yellow, I forget it. 2020 CF 012745EO. I'm revoking your bond in that case. All right, good luck to you. Thank you so much for the reminder. What happened to Mr. England? Are we back on track, Mr. England? He's not here? Oh, okay. Bream England, is that you, ma'am? Okay, good morning, how are you? You have 3 counts. Oh, you were with him. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause. Anything else you want to say?
Your Honor, additional, the
Same arguments?
Same arguments.
Okay, so we'll reset for counts 2 and 3. Give the state 24 hours. Burglary of a structure is $3,500. And on your 2021 CF 01546AO, your bond's revoked on that case, okay? Good luck to you, ma'am. Joshua Germain, carrying a concealed firearm. Is that you, sir? No, Mr. Germain?
No, Your Honor, no, without it.
21012835.
Bonded, Your Honor.
He bonded. Oh, Joshua Germain bonded.
You don't have Joshua.
That's all right, leave it alone. Yeah, it's fine. Leave it, because I revoked her on the other one, so she's not going anywhere. Duran Jones, Mr. Jones, good morning. How are you, sir? You have 2 counts. I'll find probable cause on both counts, and the count for aggravated assault with a weapon is $2,500, and the battery is $500. No drugs, no alcohol. Stay away from whoever you were battering. Thank you, bye. Mr. Levy?
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, ma'am.
All right, you have 3 counts on your new case. A find probable cause. Count 1, tampering, 1,000. Count 2, resisting, 100. Count 3, possession of cannabis, 100. You have an old case, 2021 CF 00415AO. That was a felony battery. You were ROR'd on that case somehow, and now that is revoked, and you're going to be held no bond on that old case, because that's what happens when you have an open case. So you're going to have to figure that out. Good luck to you.
The old case, last time I was just here, like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
The judge in the state agreed that they was gonna RR and throw that case out because both of the cases was being handled at that moment.
Right.
The domestic and the other
Yeah.
felony battery.
Right.
So they RR me, but I don't see how they RR me and they didn't never.
Yeah, they didn't do it. They must have not done it yet. But it sounds like they got a plan. They're going to do it. So you got to get back there and get it done. So hopefully they set you fast.
So
And maybe they can.
give me a bond on the
They're going to have to put, maybe you can get them to put this case with the other cases, and then you can wrap it all up and then get out. But it'd probably take another week.
bond on it.
Not today. No, love. So sorry. I wish I could help you, but I can't. You gotta bring the whole basket of goodies back to the other guy. Okay, thank you so much. Casey Lee, I guess he didn't want to hear me talking. All right, Mr. Casey Lee, is that you, sir? All right, good morning. How are you? All right, you have 2 counts and a find probable cause. Count 1, petty theft, 2 prior convictions, $1,000, resisting, 100. Good luck to you, sir. Don't go back to that 7-Eleven. James Letizia? Mr. Letizia, good morning, how are you?
Your Honor, same probable cause arguments on this one.
On the drug paraphernalia?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. All right. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause for the burglary, and I'll reset the count 2 for tomorrow. All right, State, you got another one.
Your Honor,
24 hours.
Is the bond amount $3,500 for count
Yes,
1?
3,500, thank you. All right, Michael Montgomery? Montgomery. He refused. See him tomorrow, maybe, we'll see. Jose Mantilla Castro. Hello, is that you? Jose?
No.
Who are you?
Dennis Osorio?
Oh, okay.
It's not in our docket, Your Honor.
He,
It's not in our docket.
not on your docket. All right, let's find Jose Mantilla Castro, inmate number 21012832.
Bonded.
He bonded. Thank you. All right, Mr. Dennis, you failed to appear for a case. It was delivery of cannabis, and your new bond is 0 now. You got to stay until you address that.
Your Honor, he has a $1,000 bond.
It was, but I looked in the new secret place that the clerk pointed to me, 0. Oh. Okay, I got good news for you. It's a $1,000 bond. Merry Christmas. Norman Luis Perez Morales. Oh, this is a big stack. What's this? It's like a big birthday present here. Oh. All right, you have an arrest warrant. Judge Jordan reviewed this case, found probable cause, and set your bonds as follows. Count 1, grand theft, second degree, $20,000. Counts 2 through 7 are burglary of a conveyance. Each one of those has a bond of $3,500. The count 8, 9, 10, and 11 are grand theft third degree, and each one of those 4 is a $1,000 bond. Then you have one final count, the 12th count, is a petty theft, and that one is a $500 bond, totaling $45,500. Now, you also have an open case, 2021 CF 002416AO and 2020 CF 014017AO. And 2019 CF 00764AO, and 2020 CF 013774AO. Holy moly, you should get a prize. You're the winner of the day. 2021 CF 00248AO, 2020 CF 014523AO. This gets you an upgraded suite at the residence here, and your room will be comped for the remainder of the time that you stay with us. And on all of these cases I cited, your bond is revoked. This concludes your hearing this morning. I hope you enjoy your stay with us.
Your Honor, should he have another case, 2021 CF 6358AO? Is a warrant?
Let me see, another. Oh, that's a Seminole County warrant. Yes. Oh, and so you've also earned a stay with Seminole County at some point. They have a warrant as well. Seminole?
Right. And then where's the other case you just addressed?
This one? That's the same one? Or did they make a mistake? That's okay. It's hard to review when you didn't prepare it.
Right.
Trust me, I understand what's happening to you right now. Okay, they are. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
And the bonds have stayed in both, this one?
Yeah. No bonds on the Seminole. Did I go through the bonds? And now I can't remember. I did all of them. Did I go through the bonds with him?
Yeah, you went through the bonds on
Okay,
the.
okay. I can't remember.
On this.
On the new case? On the new case? I did.
5753 case, yes. And no bond on the Seminole County case?
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. It was so long, I forgot what I did at the beginning. All right. Brian Redding, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Redding, you failed to appear on a case Petty theft, 2 priors. Your bond is now $5,000 on that capias, okay? You had a warrant, Judge Alvaro signed it, and it's now a $5,000 bond.
You're deleting this.
And I'm removing the pretrial release. Thank you. Erwin Tate? Talk to her, not me. Erwin Tate, are you back there? Okay, hello, how are you? All right, Erwin Tate, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause. Counsel, do you have arguments on count 2 and 3 again?
Yes, Your Honor, same probable cause arguments on.
All right, on the burglary, it's $3,500 bond. We'll reset the case for tomorrow for counts 2 and 3, for the state to come back with additional information. On your open 2021 CF 002172AO case, you were RR'd on that case. I'm revoking that status. Now you're going to be held no bond on that status. All right, good luck to you, sir. Reset for counts 2 and 3 on the new case. Yes, sir. Cheryl Webster. Are you Miss Webster? Hello, good morning. How are you?
Your Honor, defense has a probable cause argument here. There's no narrative as to how the alleged offense occurred.
All right, let's reset it for tomorrow. State, did you get this one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, reset it for tomorrow.
So we're resetting it for
PC, yeah, reset this one for PC, thank you. Charles Reyes? Mr. Reyes? How? Oh, he got a failure to appear with a bond. Let's see if he ever comes back. Jason Charnico?
Hospital, Your Honor.
Hospital, reset for tomorrow, hospital. Matthew DeBlase,
Bonded.
bonded. Yeah. Stanley Jarrett, is that you? All right, Mr. Jarrett. Hello,
It's me, Your Honor, it's Miss Sweet.
how are you?
How you doing?
What, have you been on a diet?
For 3 years.
I didn't even recognize you.
I wasn't surprised.
You look like a different person. You looked like 30 years younger and like a supermodel. Are you serious? Wow, I see your beautiful face. How are you? You look great. It's so good to see you. How are you? Oh, you look. I went to civil. No, probably not. Maybe in a couple of years. I have much more. Wow. Yeah. What's the diet secret? Please tell me. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. That's hard. So hard. I have no thyroid. I have no metabolism. Yeah. And so what are you walking? What's your exercise? 1,500, that's what I'm trying. 1,500 calories is hard. Are you writing down your food? Yeah. So that's what I do too. Yeah, that's what I use to lose it up. And I'm trying to eat a lot of protein. Yes, that's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, okay. Motion to withdraw capias and set aside bond forfeiture. Okay. Okay. All right, well, let's see what we got. Okay, so you're saying he failed to appear by mistake?
No, Judge Allen was, let me get the mic seconds on the record.
Yeah.
Judge Allen was ill.
and I talked to Miss Juanita about, she said, well, do you want to address the case with Judge McGinnis, or should I just move it to June? And I said, well, just move it to June.
So do you want me to sign this?
Yes.
Remove the KPS and then
Yes.
cross out Judge Allen and put Judge Starr?
Yes. Because Mr. Jarrett has been working very.
But I don't have a new date, so what date do I put in for him?
Do they have a date?
They don't have no date. So should I make a date up?
Whatever the next date, I can look over here and try to.
Give me a date. Look at the calendar and tell me what date you want. I mean, I don't know what else. Oh, to be set, I'm gonna write to be set by JA. All right. This is Mr. Jarrett, Stanley Jarrett. And that, hold on, that case number is, okay, so just so we're clear, it's the CT, it's his failure to appear. The CT 7136AO. There was a capias issued for him. And he was picked up on it, and now he's standing in front of me because of the capias, but I just set it aside with that order. I signed it.
And the bond posted.
The bond,
I should have had that in there, just like the bond posted.
you want me to reinstate the bond?
Yes.
Reinstate the bond. Can we do that?
Yes, I'm reading what this says.
Yeah. I'm setting it aside. I'm going to reinstate the bond, which I don't know how much the bond was. And then, it says 2,000 here. I don't know what the original bond was.
No, I'm saying the amount you paid.
Was it $1,100? See, the problem is you have an open case, you have a felony case. That I'm not touching. You have. Okay, so listen, I'll reinstate whatever bond you had on that failure to appear for the traffic offense, which is 2020 CT 7136AO. That is what caused your warrant. That is how you got in front of me today. All right? I am not going to do anything with these other open cases. Okay? Ms. Sweet's going to take care of everything else. Your job is you and Ms. Sweet need to call Judge Allen's assistant and make sure you get that traffic case set back on her calendar for whatever status. Okay? So just so we're clear, so what I understand happened was you had a misdemeanor traffic case with Judge Allen. For whatever reason, there was a mistake. They didn't see you there. They issued this capias. They picked you up. They set a bond for 2,000. I'm setting just that aside. So now you guys got to go find her again and have that case heard. I'm not touching anything else.
So they can't set aside that. Or I'm just reinstating the bond.
Yes.
And what else? You want to know what else?
Set aside the capias. He should be able to walk out. The capias was issued on. Yeah, what, you have the papers? Do I have his papers still? Hold on. Oh, we left. Capias was issued. May 7th, that's the warrant, May 17th by the clerk. I have a stamp of May 17th.
We're gonna go with that date.
Yeah, okay. All right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll be back to bug you.
Okay, great to see you. Congratulations. Keep up the good work.
It's horrible.
I know, it's so hard. 1,500 calories is just so hard.
Well, you learn to replace everything.
Oh, trust me, I know. I'm eating stuff that I can't even. And then I save my calories for later. Like I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna have a nice lunch. But then I gotta save some for snacking, because I love to snack.
But the egg whites.
Egg whites.
They cut like almost 100.
Chicken, let me tell you, I eat so much chicken, I'm gonna start to grow feathers soon.
It works though.
It does, it does.
Well, you look wonderful. Great to see you.
Thank you. Great to see you too. All right, let's get back to work. That was a nice break. You wanted time. You said, can I have more time? And then I gave you a big problem in the middle of it, right? Yeah.
missing some orders, but we'll go back to it at the end.
Okay. Jason Johnson. Is that you? Hello, how are you? Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. And you have a driving with a suspended license charge. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond in that case at $500. You have 3 other cases of CF 008922AO, 2020 CF 8922AO. And I'm going to revoke your ROR on that case. It has 3 charges in that case and hold you no bond on that now. Same with 2021 CF 003569AO, no bond revoked on that. And then you have a DWLS 2021 CT 002386AO, no bond on that. All right, this concludes your hearing. Good luck to you. Benjamin Ramford, bonded out.
You don't have that one without, because you want to.
21012788,
Bonded.
bonded. Trisha Davis. All right, Ms. Davis, good morning. How are you? I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500. Good luck to you. Marcus Eccles. Good morning, Mr. Eccles. How are you?
Morning, I'm okay.
All right, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $500. All right, next one is Justin Graff. All right, Mr. Graff, I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $1,500. You'd have no contact with the victim in this case. You can't go back. No weapons, no drugs, no alcohol. If you have to go back to get your stuff, you can go one time with law enforcement supervising. This concludes your hearing this morning. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Raymond Calderon? All right, Mr. Calderon, looks like you have an open case, 2021 CF 002979AO. I'm going to revoke your bond on that case and hold you no bond. You have a trespass case now, too. Find probable cause in that and set your bond in that case, the new case, at $500. Oh, napkin notes. I love napkin notes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
You said what?
Okay, you got a new case, trespass case. I set your bond at $500. You have open cases. I revoked your bond on those cases, so now you got to stay here. That's what happened. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Mr. Jones? Thank you, you too. Behave you. You want me to call this one again, or just sign?
They'll let me know when they're ready for what.
Okay. Eric Andrew Matherson. Is that you, sir? All right. You have an open case and 2020 CF 004497AO. I'm revoking your bond on that case. You have a new case, grand theft, third degree motor vehicle. I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause. In that case, I'll set your bond at $1,000. Good luck to you, sir.
The revolt case is set at 9, the new case is set at 1,000.
Correct.
Thank you.
I know, I've been doing it backwards the last 2. I'll go back to doing it the other way. Mr. Sherrod? Good morning, Mr. Sherrod, how are you? Possession of drug paraphernalia and resisting without violence. I'll find probable cause, set your bond at $500 for the drug paraphernalia and $100 for the resisting. This concludes your hearing this morning. Oh, hold on. You have an open case, 482021 CF 003303AO. On that case, I'm revoking your bond. There will be no bond in those cases now, in that case now. You have another case, possession of methamphetamine, MDMA. I review the affidavit in this case. It's a warrant signed by Judge Jordan. The bond in that case is $1,000. Condition, Judge Jordan put a, do not possess or consume. Okay, Judge, thank you. You can leave it. No drugs. Judge Jordan took the time to add not to do any drugs, so take some time to tell you that too. Okay, good luck with that. And Mr. Vaccaro, is that you?
That is, yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Vaccaro, how are you? Good morning. You have two counts, possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia. I review the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bonds as follows. Count one, $1,000, count two, $500. This concludes your hearing this morning. Good luck to you, sir. Martina Kendricks?
Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Take that pretty stack and reset him for somebody for tomorrow. Ya-Kan Chen. Good morning, sir. How are you? I reviewed the affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond at $250 for the disorderly conduct charge. This concludes your hearing. Good luck to you, sir. Felicia Fisher.
Mental health, Your Honor.
Say again?
Ms. Fisher, mental health.
Mental health. Oof, mental health. Try her again tomorrow. Jorge Ortiz Torres. Mr. Torres, hi, how are you?
How you doing?
Good, thank you. Good morning. All right, I reviewed the affidavit and find probable cause, set your bond for the disorderly conduct at $250. Thank you, good luck to you, sir. Jeremy Ziegler. I reviewed your affidavit, find probable cause, set your bond for the open container at $250. Good luck to you, sir. All right, what did you need? Okay. I'm going to throw all these out. You don't need these. It's all these little dividing stacky things. Can I stay on the record or off? All right, off the record, done for the day. Thank you so much. Back on the record, Cheryl Webster. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's not going to happen. No way, no how, never, ever, 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 ever. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Okay, thank you. Off the record.